Hello everyone. I wanted to take a moment and talk to you about creating lists in your Google Contacts to be able to use for later. We were asked by the administration to create a lockdown list here, and I'm supposed to add Elizabeth Holm to do that. So I am here on my email, and if I click on these dots up here, somewhere down in your Google Apps should be a Contacts tab. You click on that and it pulls up my Google Contacts. And with that, I come down here. You do not want to create a contact. You want to come down here and create a label. In this case, I've already done that with Lockdown SHS, but I'll just create one and call it Practice. And then click Save. And there is my label. Now, to add people to that label, I come up here and I just type in their name. I'll add Marnie Gresco to that. Now you can see here, when I type in her name, she shows up multiple times on here. Mrs. Kenny is showing up multiple times. This is because people are clicking Create Contact and then adding their information in. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is enter their name up here and then click on these three dots and then select what you want them added to. I have her added to my staff and my lockdown ones, but I'm going to add her to Practice as well. And if I click off of her, she then shows up in my Practice tab there. Now, what I have done for my other classes this year is I have gone ahead and added all of my students to the hour that I have them. One of the reasons I do this is because I can export these as comma separated values, so where I can just copy and paste all of these into my Google Drive whenever I want to share a document with them and don't want to have that document on Google Classroom per se. If you have any other questions on this, I'm going to go ahead and delete this one out because I don't need it. And you want to keep all the contacts. So when you add someone, it also adds them as a contact. I don't need them in a contacts thing because they're already in with the school contacts. So I just want to hide it from contacts. You don't want to delete it. You want to hide it from your contacts. And now there's no one in my contacts anymore. So that's about it. If you have any questions, give me a contact, send me an email, or call me. Thanks, guys.